Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get into this video, I just want to thank everybody who wished me happy birthday on 420 and everybody who came through and watched my music video that I made. I really appreciate the love and the support. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's called Night Quiet Space. But I don't want to hold you guys up. Let's get into this video, man. For real, I really appreciate it. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to change the front brake for this 2015 Chevy Sonic. It's pretty easy. It takes a 13mm. Actually, not a 13. Sorry, it's a 10. It's a 10mm to take off this bolt to bring up the caliper. Basically, this was down, of course. So because that was down, you just look at the side and the bolt right here is going to be basically down like this, and you just unscrew the bolt, which is this, push it up. The brake pads is right here. As you can see, the brake pads is basically done. I need to get a flathead to take it out. Well, not really. Pull it out just like that. Just kind of hard for me to record and do it, but you just pull it out. As you can see, it's time for them to change. So we have the new one. We got the new one from AutoZone, the Duralast ceramic brake pads. See how thick they are. Front. We're waiting to get some brake cleaner to clean this up. Okay, you want to put it in?
This one going
this way.
We got to put a lubricant on here, right? Remember, come on.
Yeah.
It was something.
I just want to make sure it's
fit.
Yeah, that's the right one.
Is it?
Because it's supposed to be in here. So
I was thinking I want talking about no cleaning.
you know, you could match it up with the other one. Got to match it up.
My house don't be dirty. My house don't be clean.
There you go.
I want it to.
Yep. Perfect. Just like that. But first we're gonna try to put some of this. Yeah, lube at the end. Yeah.
You got a flat head back there?
I should. Which way it was in?
That motherfucker just jumped the fuck out, so it goes like this.
Gotta be that one. Yeah, just like that. Because if you turn it, you turn the old one. Turn this that way.
So it's going in this way? Yeah.
One at the bottom. Should be good. Go up to tighten, down to loosen. This passenger side. All right, that's it. Put back on the tire. Straighten up the wheel. All right, guys, this is the driver's side. Remember, it's a 10mm to take off the caliper. We gotta take off that bolt to lift up the caliper. Oh yeah, and in the first video, in the beginning, I forgot to show you guys what tools I used to push in that piston to bring back down the caliper. but you should see it on this, me doing it on the passenger, on the driver's side, on this side. So here we pulled out the brake pad. That's no good. And this one, we have some brake cleaner. We just spray it up, you know, remove all the dust, the dirt, you know, see all the black stuff just dropping, coming off. Make sure you clean it up so we don't hear no squeak. And we also lubricate the brake pads as well, lubricate the end. I'm surprised that this when I went to AutoZone and purchased this pack of brake pad, didn't come with no lube. I guess it didn't really need none, but I had extras, so from last time I did it on my car, so I basically put the lube on the end. Showing you guys right now. Let's put some lube at the end, you know, just lubricate it. This brake pad right here was the for the other side. I didn't even match it up. I just pick it up and try to put it. If it don't go in, that means it's not the right one, guys. So just be smart and just use the other one. If one don't fit, try the other one. If you haven't, because I didn't even match it up. I just picked it up and I was like, you know what? Let's see if this one fits, just to show you guys a example. It will not fit. No matter what you do, if you twist or turn it, if it's not supposed to go in that way, it is not going to fit, guys. It is not going to fit. So this one was for the other side. The other side of the brake pad. So I picked up the other one, lubricate this one as well, the end. And you're going to see how easy it is to just push it in. Really easy and simple. You know, it was a rainy day that day. You know, I had to do a voiceover because music was in the background. Didn't want to get copyright strike. So just lubricate the end. Most likely you don't have to. I did it because I had extra. Because the new one didn't come with no lube. I just don't know why. I guess it wasn't really necessary for the Chevy Sonic, sorry. So look how easy it is. Just line it up and just push it in. And see, I turned it the other way because it didn't fit the first time. And look, push it in, click right in. Perfect. Now the first one that I picked up is for this side. So you could use a flathead if you can't get it, you know. Look at it. That one have more life. Yeah, it's pretty easy, you know. I already lubricated because that's the first one that I picked up. But you know, I'm gonna just spray some brake cleaner to remove the dirt. You know, the extra dirt. You don't want to hear no squeak while you step on the brake. Just to put some more, you know. You guys watch carefully how I put this one in, because I didn't show this on the passenger side. So this is the driver's side. It's pretty easy. Gotta make sure it's lined up, you know, correctly. And you just pushed in and bam. That easy and that simple. Perfect. Now, this is what I didn't show on the passenger side when I pushed in the piston. Forgot to get a footage of that. So make sure you have one of these. You can pick these up at the auto store. You know, just ask them for the tool to push in the piston, or you could probably go online and get it from Walmart. Probably like $3 and change, maybe $5. You know, due to the inflation, everything is expensive these days. This is a small one, so got it at a good price. So you just push that piston all the way in. Pretty easy and simple. Till that piston go all the way in. If this don't push in, the caliper is not going to drop down. The caliper is not going to drop down if this is not pushed in. So make sure this is pushed in all the way. Well, let's keep twisting until it stops. You know, when it stops, you know you right there. It's pushed all the way in. And another important tip: when you finish and putting all the tire on and everything, make sure you step on the gas. Don't start the car. Step on the brake, not the gas. Step on the brake a few times until it gets hard. Because if you don't do that, you're not gonna have no brakes. Trust me, I've seen it happen a lot of times. You're not gonna be able to stop. So as a tip, make sure when you finish putting everything together, here I'm putting back on that 10mm bolt. Right there. I was having quite a hard time because it wasn't lined up, so I was like twisting. I was like, yo, what's going on here? But it happens, you know, when you're under stress. Place is hot. It was raining that day and it was so humid. So hey, but you'll get it, guys. This is the easy part, trust me. That's the easy part, to just put the bolt back in. I was just trying to hurry things up. Right here I was getting the ratchet set up to make sure it turned the right way. You know, make sure that you push it in, hand tighten it first, then you use the ratchet and tighten it up. So this is the driver's side. Yes, this is driver's side, so you go down to tighten, you know. Yeah. There you go. And we go down to tighten, guys. And that should be good. All right, guys, so here we're about to put the tire back on. As you can see, we have a jack stand on there for extra protection. Put that tire back on. You're going to hand tighten it, and then when we drop it down, we're going to make sure it's tightened as well, because you know sometimes you'll have more leverage. Even though you tighten it up in the air, you still want to have extra protection. Sometimes you have more space for the lug nuts, so it's tightening even more when you drop it down off the jack. But that's how you basically change your front brake pad for 2015 Chevy Sonic. This is the LT 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. It's a piece of cake. You know, real easy, no big of a deal. You live and you learn. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and the support. We tighten it right there. Let me just cut the video right here, guys. Tighten it up, and make sure when you finish dropping the jack, you tighten it up again and step on that brake a few times. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I'm out.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get